What's up everyone, Jake here from Jake's Aviation, back today with another model unboxing and review video. This time we have the NG models United A321Neo. This was the first one that United ever received, 44501. So this was actually, this is quite an old model in the sense that it was released last year in 2023, November 2023. But I only just managed to finally pick it up this year. It was one of those that on its release at the time, I didn't think I was really going to need it, but upon further review, you know, obviously it's going to be an integral part of their fleet going forward. Therefore, I decided, regardless if it flew into LA at the door, it flew in, you know, right away, or if it's even flying in right now, at some point it's going to fly in there, or I could just have it in my fleet for other airport projects or whatever in the future. So nonetheless, I decided to grab it. And from what I've heard in the past and I've read and seen other videos, this model is probably one of the top models that, you know, has been released in a sense of like just the detail, just how good the mold is, etc. So very excited to have this and to take a look at it for myself. So with that being said, here's the box, looking very, very nice. The standard United box, obviously connecting people, uniting the world. So looking very nice. But yeah, so let's take a look at and see what we have here. I did already take the card out to redeem the points, so I know it came with one though. But here we have it, and this does look incredible. Wow. Okay, let's take a further look at it. Oh wow, that does look pretty dang good. Wow. All right. So here we have it. This does look absolutely fantastic. Wow. Yeah, this does definitely looks like a top model. And that's for sure. So let's start, you know, the usual connecting the world, or connecting people, uniting the world, right there under the cockpit, the Star Alliance logo, with the door and the antennas and the gear looking excellent. All the perfect ports and everything are all marked very well there, as always. The United titles, well done. The overwing exits and the markings on the wing looking very, very nice. Great detail there. The engines looking fantastic, no issues there. They both look excellent. No crazy rocket ship engines. They look perfectly proportionate and just well done there. The sharklets looking fantastic as well. They're good size, good shape, and good proportion. The wings looking very nice. We move along. There would be there's a little beacon. You have some more aerials, the antennas, and the Wi-Fi dome at the back there with the registration 4401, my bad, and the American flag. The another emergency exit right there. And then you have a door right here. And this one actually, the two has where the slat would come out right there. So looking very nice. Whoop. The standard United tail, the globe now blue, looking very, very nice. The tail area with the APU, horizontal stabilizers, all looking fantastic. Great detail there. On this side, you got the bulk bin door, you got the main door, cargo door there, and then the one up at the front, looking very nice. Overall, just excellent detail, very well done. Love this mold. Yep, the underneath is pretty just straightforward, but the gear all looks good and rolls, etc. So very well done there. Love what they've done with everything. So overall, some excellent detail on the aircraft. This mold is superior in my opinion, and I'm really hoping that we can see NG models do the another American 321Neo, because that's been much needed. And maybe even more Deltas, because those would be also needed, could be used too. I know Gemini Jets has been trying to do some of those, but I don't know. This mold between the regular 321 that NG Malls has and just the 321Neo, their molds are superior to anybody else's in my opinion. Maybe Panda would be the only other one that's kind of close. I don't have any. I guess Aviation 400 actually has them now too, but I haven't got any of those. But nonetheless, the NG model is superior. This is an excellent model. I do see why people say it's probably one of the best, just how well it is. It's a simple livery and everything. It's not crazy, but the mold and everything is just really well done on it. So I'm very excited to have this. I'm sure we're probably going to see more of these released in the future with different regs as they continue to get them, so the registrations keep changing. Obviously, there's new ones, etc. So I'm sure we're going to see a re-release of this at some point, just due to the fact that it's, the fleet's ever growing, the size of the fleet's continuing to grow, and it's a workhorse now within the fleet. And as they slowly start to replace other aircraft with these, then yeah, it'll become a more prominent plane, and I'm sure we're going to see more releases or more variants of it in terms of whether Gemini just does it or more, or NG does more with different regs. So yeah, but nonetheless, I'm really happy to have this one to finally add it into the collection. So with that being said, guys, I hope you did enjoy this video. If you did, smash that like button, subscribe for more mall unboxing and review videos, as well as other content. With that, guys, I'll see you on the next one. Take care.